Good evening. Tayo sa second floor. Ganda. Atrium 6. Beach Resort. Malaki pala ito, no? Malaki. Atrium Beach Resort.
Meron sinasabi niya no SD card.
Function hall. May video ko sila, oh.
Pero ano, wala.
Pero wala. Veranda. Sala.
Ayan, guys, tingnan niyo to.
Ha?
Ayan.
Ayan, guys. Uy, itong gumanya, baka malaglag ka, ha? Ano yan? Ah, may palaruan. Ayan pala yung mga games, eh. No?
And these are the games. You can play them anywhere you want. Anytime, anywhere.
Ayan, oh. Basketball. Basketball ba yan?
Yes.
Tapos meron ditong billiard.
Excited to try
Yung
these.
sa dulo yung beach. Thanks for watching.
So, guys,
Guys,
maganda yung swimming pool.
we had dinner for tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye.